It's just pouring oil into the coffee. After I learned that, I never spent money again. Do this and you'll never have that problem again. For our tip, add 250 milliliters of water to a container. Then, add 2 tablespoons of coffee powder. If you prefer, you can also use coffee grounds. The result is the same. Mix it very well. Next, we'll need a glass container, and you can pour all the mixture into it. And folks, I learned this tip from an aunt of mine who lives in the countryside. She was facing this annoying problem that we all have at home. So, she gave me the recipe for this wonderful tip, and it solved my problem. After pouring all the mixture, take the cooking oil and pour it over the water with coffee. And if you want, you can use used oil. It doesn't have to be new. And before pouring the oil, you can let the mixture rest for about 5 minutes. After that, take an aluminum bottle cap. Those that come in glass bottles, it can be those from olive oil too. The important thing is that it's aluminum. Make a hole in the middle. I'll do this because we're going to pass a piece of string through it. Here I'll use the one that comes in the candle, but you can use the string directly. And even a piece of fabric. This will be our wick. After that, take the cap with the string already in it and position it in the middle of the container. It will look like a candle. Now just light it, and all your problems will be gone. And you must be wondering, what problems are these? I'm referring to those problems with mosquitoes, midges, and mosquitoes. I don't know what you call them in your city. But everyone knows how annoying these insects are, especially on warmer days. They take advantage of that and come to sting us non-stop. And if you don't have a good insecticide, you'll have a big problem. However, here I have a powerful insecticide made with ingredients that everyone has at home. I doubt you'll suffer from mosquitoes if you do this. And this tip works with all kinds of flying insects, including cockroaches, because they can't stand the smell of burning coffee, so they disappear. Since there's oil in the mixture, the wick won't go out so soon. And you can leave it in strategic places in your house, especially where there are many insects. They will disappear quickly, and then you can relax in peace without those little bugs biting you. So be sure to do this at your home. You'll definitely love the results. And if you found this tip useful, leave a rating from 0 to 10 below. So that's it. I hope you liked it very much. A hug, and see you in the next video.